It's time. It's time to clean this place, and I know that the only way I'm gonna do it is if I turn it into a project. Welcome back to another video. As you saw in the video I made about the Wildwood dress a couple of weeks ago, the studio space has gotten a little bit crazy. I can't find anything. Mid-project, if I need it, I can't find it. So, you know, before I start anything else, I knew I needed to get organized. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna clean this place up. I'm gonna KonMari it. I'm gonna organize it. I don't wanna do it. Is that good? So I'm gonna make you watch me clean it because people like this kind of content, right? I left that gap there so that I could figure out what else I was gonna say. A chaotic space is not good for creative output, and I like to be creative, so we've got to clean this up. Before I get started cleaning this, let's give you a tour of what the studio looks like as it is right now. I mean, I don't even know where to start. Hand cream, a pencil sharpener, 2 machines, boxes, a spray bottle. I mean, how's anyone supposed to get anything done on a table like this? What are these doing here? A pile of 3 pairs of jeans just in the middle of the floor. I don't think this is how these boxes are meant to be used. Same with these boxes. Y'all remember Cassandra? She's absolutely no help, and she's currently holding on to just a pending project I have to complete. This is my ironing board. It's currently home to scrap fabric, a pattern I cut out that I put on here to differentiate from all of the paper scraps on the floor, and a chopstick. By the way, do you like my new trash can? You guys get the idea. We've all seen messes before, so I'm not gonna hammer it home, but that's what we're working with. Now I think it's time to get started so that I can get back to doing creative projects that I actually like. Proud of myself. Look at it. I have enough space for paddle turns now. Isn't that what we all want? So I did it. It didn't take me nearly as long as I thought it would, which is how this always goes. I put off a task forever and then I do it and I go, wow, that really didn't take that long. I wonder why I put it off so much. But, you know, I never learn. So let me walk you through what I did. The machines are back underneath cover like they should be. I'm gonna put these away and I'm gonna fold this table down. Until next time, sweet singer. Ironing board, who's she? Don't recognize her. Folded up my patterns. I just have to put these patterns away, and then this will also get folded up and put away until I'm ready to use it again. It's a big boy. So I really would like the floor real estate back. Anyway, Cassandra has gone home to her torso and we're doing the old headless dress form again. Just to keep things a little less creepy. You know, I'm sure I'll put her back on soon. But anyway, just to tidy things up for a bit. So that's it. A beautiful blank space, a clean room for me is like a clean creative canvas. So I'm excited to get creative again in here and finish all the little details and get it just nice and wide open. And the thing I'm most excited about is this wall. I have been wanting a proper background to shoot against, so I'm not just floating around in the room with just chaos behind me. I want a dedicated wall to shoot against that is beautiful. And this is gonna be that wall. I've got some wallpaper picked out. I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna go all out, but not today because I'm tired. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and I'm going to hopefully have a beautiful styled space to show you. We're back. It's day 2 of the project and it's time to move away from cleaning and into something a little bit more exciting, styling. I've been wanting a proper place to sit in front of while I film, to take photos against, and to have this beautiful styled section of my studio. And to start this process, I ordered a bunch of different samples of wallpaper, temporary wallpaper, and it's a very small section of the wall. It's about 7 feet wide. And I thought, instead of just plain white walls, let's jazz it up a little bit. And I ordered way too many samples. And I'm really glad that I did, because seeing these in person really helped me to solidify my decision. You can see they're all, they've got some texture, some shiny bits to them. But the one that I ended up loving is this one. It's sort of a distressed floral with a little bit of shiny gold and this pretty, it's blue. Can you tell? Can you see it? The reason that I chose this one is because I have frames in my studio of some of my photography that I have refurbished and painted to look very similar to the color palette going on here. So I thought this will help tie in another part of my studio to the frames I already have, and it'll be a lovely backdrop to film against. As you can see, it's a little bit of a catch-all space right now. I'm not utilizing it like I should be, and it's the perfect little corner to film against. I've got a window right here on this side that's gonna create beautiful natural light, and I'm excited to actually utilize this space for more than just storage. So here's what I'm thinking. That wall is where the wallpaper is going to go up. I'm going to put a chair in front, maybe my dress form, and I'm going to style all the plants around it. Eventually I would love to add a little bit of a curtain and jazz it up a little bit more. I'm sure it will evolve as these things do, but I'm excited to get started. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's been 3 hours. I busted the top of my pants and very unsuccessfully hung the wallpaper. It doesn't look great. I followed the instructions. It was a pain in the ass, and it's just got wrinkles and ripples, and I can't worry about it. I never want to do that again, and I would not recommend that you ever do it. I'm hoping that once I style it, it will come together, and I know it's kind of one of those things where I see all the flaws, but I'm hoping that once everything's in place, people who come here, people who see these videos, see the photos I shoot in front of them, will not be picking apart the whole thing. You know, they aren't going to see every little wrinkle and everything. They're going to see the whole, and hopefully say that's a beautiful wallpaper. Now it's time for my favorite part of any project, which is finishing touches. So I'm going to move my couch over here, do a little styling, and get it looking exactly like I want it to. Couch isn't working for me. I'm gonna have to do a chair instead. Ah! I'm trying to see how many imperfections I can cover with my plants. So far, so good. Here it is, all finished. This is how it's styled for now. I think I like it. Might change a little bit, but super easy to remember where I'm supposed to sit, what I'm supposed to do, and I think it looks really good. And it's, you can see the walls on either side. It looks a little messy, but as soon as I punch in just a little, focuses right up. I think the colors look great. It's exactly kind of what I had in my mind. So even though it was a huge struggle and I never want to do it again, I don't have to do it again because I'm finished and I'm pretty happy with the results. And sometimes that's all we can ask for. So that wraps up my studio organization project. I am ready to start fresh for the fall with new projects. I hope that you found a little bit of inspiration to push through your creative projects. And you know, sometimes when things aren't going well, you just kind of have to push through and accept the results as they are. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next week.